Hi there, folks! Welcome back to my channel where we make cleaning fun and sometimes even funny. Today, we're going to talk about something that might make some of you cringe, but it's something we all need to do. Clean our mattress. If you're anything like me, you spend a lot of time in bed. And that means your mattress has seen some things that maybe you don't want to think about. But fear not, because with a little bit of elbow grease and a lot of humor, we're going to clean that baby up and get it looking and smelling fresh. First up, we're going to need some baking soda. It's a magical substance that can absorb odors and help remove stains. Sprinkle it all over your mattress and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. While that's doing its thing, you can take a break and watch some of my other videos. Or, do something productive. Your call. Once the 30 minutes are up, it's time to vacuum up all that baking soda. This will not only remove the baking soda, but also any dirt or dust that may be lurking in your mattress. Next, it's time to tackle any stains. If you have any stubborn spots on your mattress, a fabric cleaner can work wonders. Just spray it on and blot it with a clean cloth. And finally, the best part, making the bed. Clean sheets can make all the difference in how you feel when you climb into bed at night. Plus, it's a great excuse to do a little victory dance. So there you have it, folks. A clean and fresh mattress and just a few easy steps. Now go forth and sleep soundly, knowing your bed is as clean as a whistle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning tips and laughs. See you in the next one.